Abuakwa na moya Indonesia.
Mini Joseph Asamba ya mfato wodi ama.
Na de Indonesia ya gusua.
Tesi sasa ebi ana.
Ana moya.
Ana ho a. Obi ni mo tira.
The place in the CC ya say.
Wa tira benya ni je.
Yeah.
So ra de ba mu po dia. Benya ni je. Yasemi.
Super.
Joseph. Aya kan tie bia.
Ebi o ma yakwa na abi.
Na kuma benya me. Na o tena me. Ni ya na ka.
Still I'm going to show more here. Today is Thursday, 3rd March. Yeah. So we decided to come to Abuakwa to check so far the progress of work on the road. So I am your man, Brother Gabi. Please remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos and updates. The pan there, Musu Kasa, and the monster Kasa. But just say we are not we are the only one easy. We are not in rough. It's Yakosubiano. The Bebramo. Yeah. Oh, Abuakwa. The Pana Moyano. Yeah. Super. Very, very fantastic. Please remember to subscribe. Do your boy a favor and subscribe to this channel for more videos and updates on our roads. The newly constructed Abuakwa Tanosu road is still under construction. Let's see the outcome of it. I know they'll be finished in due time. It will be done or completed. So let us all hope for the better, so that we will develop our dear country or nation. Okay, shalom, peace. This is my motto. Peace. I'm your man, Brother Gabi. Today I am giving you the vivid updates on Abuakwa Tanosu road, so the progress of work so far, whether it's been okay. Thanks for watching, and we shall continue. There, the video is still continuing because I am not done with it. I am not done with it. So in due time, I will come to an end with this video. So I will bring you another video in another video in the. Okay, let's all see how the work is still ongoing. Okay. Nice. It's not near all no. Yeah, so far no. Okay.